Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now, do you want to know how to make money with video? Well, in this video and on this channel, this is what I do and this is what I show. If you can see down here, I show like how to use different video creation tools, where to make like videos and how to make them, etc. And I show you on different videos, guys, but we're not going to talk about me. Let's show you. Now, places like Fiverr, you can type in things like Facebook ads, explainer videos, video ads. You don't like the Facebook ads, put video ads. You can just type in video, yeah, and you get all these different scroll stopper videos, live action text, video editing, video, yeah, and product videos. Now, this is just one Facebook ads, and if you look, lots of different people are selling lots of different videos what they're making, and you can see the different prices, and the people are buying them. Yeah, so that Fiverr is a really good way. Etsy is another thing. I've just typed in video animation. If you look, these are making these are templates what you get with some video apps, and then you just put their name in it and it automatically makes it. Same with these logo intros. These are just templates. Yeah, you just change the word in and it creates this. Make intros. You can make all sorts of different styles of videos. Now, another one is Upwork, and if you search in videos, we'll find that loads of them are offering jobs. Like, look, posted 4 minutes ago. They need 1 minute. A video ad, yeah, for Facebook. So again, or Instagram, posted 5 minutes ago. So you just contact a few of these and like a few of these a day and offer your services, basically, show them what you can do. And another one, guys, is Facebook. Yeah, I do this a lot. I come to Facebook and I type in like for instance, I've typed in takeaway now, and I go over to the page. Yeah, I'll open it up and I'll send them a message, and that is how easy. Look, I've already sent them on there. Better video. I didn't even realize I've done that. And then you scroll down, go to another one, then another one, then another one. And if you don't want to do takeaway, type in anything. You can just go, no, fitness or plumbing or anything you want, guys. And you just do the same thing. You just go to them and you just add and you just message them. Yeah. Now, you need, instead of using like Adobe and spending a lot every month or trying to create them yourself, I get apps like this, like InVideo. It gives you lots of different video templates already made, which then you can just scroll down, yeah. It shows recently added different topics, yeah, and it tells you what they are. So for a restaurant, you scroll over it, and look, it's already made. You go into it then, and then you just change a bit of text, put their logo on it, and sell it on, guys. That's how easy it is. Look, logo intros already made. All you do is just add in their logo. Video ads. So you could use all these over onto Fiverr, Etsy, Upwork, yeah, and Facebook, and offer your services. Another one, guys, is Vidnami. Now these don't do a lot. These just do like one kind, and it's like text to video. Yeah, they do a different like percent of videos, instant ads, sales videos, and it's all like these kind of ads where the videos where the text is on the screen. And these are very popular, especially on like Fiverr. If you text to, I think it's classed as text to video, yeah, and that's Vidnami. Another one, guys, is more like your 3D. Is Create Studio. Now I use this a lot. It's very 3D is very good, animation and 3D. Look, you can make like your square ones. You can make your landscape for YouTube, vertical for your Instagram and TikTok, and your square for Facebook and that. And look, you can make things like this. These are called scroll stoppers. Yeah, these are very popular videos. These are good for hand drawn ones. And if you come on the website, you can see a lot. But I'll just quickly show you. I've got it open. In Create Studio, they've got like your character ones where look like new kindergarten, explain of it, Christmas ones, cafe ones, and all you do is come on here. You change the wording or the logo. Then you got your Facebook and Instagram ones, catchy ones like these look burger ones, like your scroll stoppers. Got your promotional ones, story ones, logo intros. Again, more logos. So this is a really good one, guys. You've got your local businesses, like you can go like your fitness, real estate. Then you got over here, you got all your different scroll stoppers. Now, these are already made. So if you want to check this out, guys, all the links for all these will be in the description. Now this one is called Video Creator, and it's not currently out, but it's a new one. What's coming out on the 13th of April this month, and it lets you do everything. So all the things you can do on InVideo, Vidnami, Create Studio, more or less, you can do on here. And this is very good, guys. I love video, yeah. So like I said, all these different things here you can type in on like Fiverr. So you can type it all in there, yeah. You can type in that, and you can add gigs, and people are selling every single type of video. But they don't just put like one video and say, oh, I can do all these. They put on like, I can make explainer videos, I can make whiteboard, and each one is separate, so you can get like traffic and people trying to find these, yeah. Same with on Etsy and Upwork, where you can search for scroll stoppers, explainer videos, etc. And then you can contact these and say, I will make this video for you, yeah. And same on Facebook, I will make these videos. I can make you a fitness video for this one, yeah, or takeaway, whatever you want to do. And then on Fiverr and Etsy, people can come to you, yeah. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put a link for InVideo, Vidnami, Create Studio, and Video Creator, all in the description of this video, guys. So if you're interested in any of these video apps, yeah, feel free to check the description in the video and let us know, guys, which one you think will be better for you. Again, I like Create Studio. I think it's very clever, especially with all these different ones you can go to. And like I said, in any of them, you can customize them. So on this one, you can change a different restaurant's name. So it could be like your local restaurant's name there. You could do different heading there. You can change the background. You can change almost everything. Yeah. And that's what's good about them. You don't have to be creative. It's already created for you. All you're doing is adding the text and the logo for whatever company wants to buy it. And then you can make your own prices up. Yeah. So videos, yeah, like £26, £57, £22, £148, £114, £7, £41, £755, yeah, and 2 people have bought it. So it doesn't matter. Make your own prices up, yeah. Start low, and then in time, when you start getting loads of sales, up them, yeah. So that is it, guys. Like I said, the links will be in the description, so feel free to check them out and let us know in the description which one you fancy, yeah. So again, thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. Goodbye.